There, Rick Brinkus, Keller Williams Realty, the marketplace, and I am excited to give you a Las Vegas real estate update for October 2020. What is happening in the market? It is so exciting out there. The market is super brisk. We're setting all kind of record highs, and I've got so much information to share with you. So first of all, let's go ahead and look at this first graph over here. One of the things that I monitor every week is how many sales have happened, how many accepted contracts in the last 7 days, how many new homes came on the market, and how many closed within the last 7 days. So if you look at this graph right here, you'll see that we had over 1,300 accepted contracts in just the last 7 days. Super brisk market, and we counterbalance that with less than 1,000 homes coming on the market. So that means for a very brisk market. We've been averaging between 12 and 1,300 home sales, very consistent for the last several months. This past week, it was over 1,300, which again is super brisk. So what does that mean for appreciation rates? Right, when sales are brisk, we see the appreciation rates start to go up. We saw the median price, after a little bit of a plateau, actually jump during the month of September. So year to date, January through September, we've had over 11% appreciation just in the last couple of months. I mean, super impressive. Nobody thought with everything happening this year in 2020 that we would have this much appreciation going forward. So it is incredible out there. So who actually has created a strategy that is working in this market to get homes sold quickly, aggressively market them, and sell many of those homes at new record high prices? Well, that's right, you've guessed it, the Brinkus team. So in August, out of 900 offices, over 16,000 agents, who was the number one team in August for the most number of closings? That's right, it was the Brinkus team. And who did it back to back? Thank you so much for all of the referrals, all those people calling in with questions about buying and selling. Yes, in September, again, we were the number one team in all of Las Vegas, back to back. Number one, beating out all of the hedge funds, all of the builders, every other agent, every other team out there. We've got a strategy that is aggressively marketing homes and helping people get some new record high prices. So what is going on with everything else in the market out there? Interest rates, super low, super brisk. If you haven't yet thought about refinancing or at least inquiring if you could save some money, that may be something good to do. If you're thinking of buying that next home and you're going to be in there for some time to come, let's say the next 7 years, 8 years, 10, 15 years, maybe it may be a good time to sell your home when the market appears to be at or near a peak and to be able to get that new home at a great new low interest rate. What about this article that came out from CoreLogic? They're a real estate national informational website out there, and they had an article a while back, and they thought that home prices in Las Vegas are going to soften by about 7 to 8% by next summer. So is that true? Is it not true? And what I would say is we don't have enough information at this point. The government, as we've seen over the last couple of months, can step in and change anything out there. With COVID, they could create a vaccine, and all of the businesses that are slowing down and shut down, we can have a big, robust economy very quickly. It could be what we call a V recovery, where it goes down a little bit, slowing down, and then just very robust. Or it could be a U recovery. Most people believe that it's going to be a V recovery, and we started seeing a lot of our economy starting to open back up. Hotels are opening up. We see bars starting to open up, more businesses happening. So a little bit, it's a little bit of what I refer to as wet cement. We don't have enough information, but my prediction is for next month, we're going to actually see the median price go up again next month. So you can't have prices go down if they're still going up. Economics 101. So a couple of great things. If you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe down below. You'll get some more information like this. If you're listening on a podcast, go ahead and subscribe, and we can make sure that you get some more information as far as what's going on with the Las Vegas market. And if you haven't yet been to one of our Halloween spooktaculars, this would be about the 13th or 14th year. This year, we're doing it a little different. We're going to have a drive-through. We're going to have people call in, and we're going to have just kind of a limited number of cars go through, maintaining social distancing, make sure that everybody is safe, because that's super important. So go ahead and call our office. You got the phone number right here to RSVP. It's going to be on October 29th this year. It's going to be a drive-through. We're going to maintain some social distancing, but we're going to have fun during the holidays, right? Isn't that what holidays are for? So give us a call at the office. Looking forward to it. And again, so gracious and so thankful for all of those referrals over the years. Keep them coming. And if you're ever thinking of buying a home, selling a home, or investing in real estate, that's right. The Brinkus team right here, Keller Williams Realty, the marketplace, 702-456-5959. Have a great day.